So I am making a chocolate oat cake today that I'll make without maida, without sugar and without oil, and you'll be surprised to see how delicious it turns out. I think it's the perfect dessert to make when you're craving cake but don't want to indulge. Let's get started. So I'll start by soaking some seedless dates in some hot milk and we let it rest for about 30 minutes. After your dates have been soaking for about 30 minutes in a blender, let's take a medium-sized banana and then add in the milk and the dates. Into this, I am also adding 1/4 cup of ghee. If you want, you could also use butter instead, along with some vanilla extract. Now let's blend all of this together until it's nice and smooth. This looks good. Let's transfer it into a bowl and then sift in some atta. So the whole wheat flour is in. Now I'm going to quickly make some oat flour. So I have half a cup of oats here. I'm going to put them in the blender and grind it into a fine flour. This is ready. This goes into our sieve along with some baking powder and baking soda. It's important to sift the oat flour so you can get rid of any bigger chunks of oats that might be in there. And now I'm also adding in some almonds and some walnuts. Let's give it a mix to bring the batter together without overmixing it. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in some cocoa powder and some hot water. Mix it together to make a quick slurry and then add it into our batter. Let's mix it one more time and your batter is ready. I'm now going to transfer it into a cake pan that I've lined with parchment paper. I'm also going to top this cake with some sugar-free chocolate chips. This is ready for the oven. I'll bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. So this may not be as sweet as a regular chocolate cake, but the fact that it's been made with dates and bananas instead of refined sugar honestly makes it a dream come true. I hope you guys will try this recipe out in your kitchens, and when you do, make sure you share pictures on Instagram by tagging me at Shivesh17. And I'll see you guys next week with another episode of Bake with Shivesh.